Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to remove saved photos in Pinterest. In order to remove your saved photos in Pinterest, first of all, check your internet connection and then open up your Pinterest application. Once you open up your Pinterest application, this is how the interface is going to look like. So then to remove your saved photos in Pinterest, click on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. As you can see, these are all the saved photos, and to remove it, you need to long press on it or just tap on it and then click on the three dot icon located right on top. Long press on the image that you wish to delete it or that you wish to remove it from your saved photos in Pinterest. So click on the three dot icon located right on top of the image or the picture and click on edit pin from the drop down menu. After you click on edit pin, you'll be able to see this option that is delete this pin, which is right at the bottom. If you're sure about removing this, click on the delete button and this particular photo has been removed from your saved photos in Pinterest. So in this way you can remove your photos in Pinterest. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.